Hey guys, in today's video, I thought it would be really fun if we just did a 3-minute makeup challenge. I always just feel like I do too many things, too many products. I take my time. I don't apply too much makeup, but I feel like I just kind of overwhelm you with how much I do. But I want to show you a makeup look that you can do in literally 3 minutes if you're busy, on the go, running out the door, you have kids, whatever the case. This is like a really good, easy 3-minute makeup video, at least I think. So I'm not gonna be able to obviously explain what I'm doing, but all the products I'm gonna be listing are in the caption for you. Let's go ahead and jump into it, because if you're watching this, you're probably already a busy person and don't have time to watch a 20-minute makeup tutorial. I have actually never done one of these before, and I don't know if I'm gonna be able to pull it off. Put a little timer on my phone here. So let's go ahead and get started. 3, 2, 1. Okay, starting off, we have a little moisturizer. And on top of the moisturizer, I have SPF 40, Well People, one of my favorite ones. Usually I would have to let these products sit in between, but if we're in a rush, they lay well together no matter what. Now, instead of foundation, I'm just gonna use an all-over concealer. This is the Kosas concealer. It's a little bit lighter than my skin tone, but that's okay. We're gonna blend it out and make it work. No foundation. I'm gonna use a brush. This one under the eyes. You can also use your finger and just like blend this in all over. Just getting an even complexion. We are at 2 minutes and 13 seconds. And for the rest of the skin, I'll just use a foundation brush. Just kind of use whatever remaining amount is on the brush all over. Great. Brush up my brows. Brush them up. This is actually going so fast. 1 minute and 43 seconds to go. Boom, boom. Don't have time for a lash curl, so I'll just use my mascara from West Atelier. Done. Lip, I have Opal overlining lip. I feel like this would be the easiest because it's not like a straight line. I can just kind of overline and get the illusion of bigger lips. Done. I actually have a little bit of time, so I'm going to use my dual-ended little dibs guy. Go into a contour, and then right on top of that, I'll throw a little bit of blush. I have a dual-ended brush, so I'll just use the contour first. Boom. 40 seconds. Bring on a little to my lid. "25 seconds, moisturizing my lips, Lip Cocoon from Iris and Romeo. And if you want a little powder under the eyes, you can. Makeup by Mario powder, right where I would crease. 6, 3, 2, 1. I did it. Wow. Okay, great. I mean, honestly, kind of looks like I spent a lot of time on this makeup look. Like, I feel like I can confidently go out in the world and not feel like I didn't do my makeup. If anything, I feel like this contour does look a little crazy, so I'll just clean that up real quick like this. Probably could have gone without the bronzer, but it does make my face just look a little bit more alive, if you ask me. But I feel like that's a super easy everyday makeup look. I only use 9 products, and I feel like I just got away with getting a super easy everyday makeup look. I feel like I don't even really need to touch this up. It's so funny how I'll sit here and record and it'll be a 30-minute video, and it really just does not always need to be like that. So this just goes to show you only need a few products and 3 minutes of your time to feel a lot more put together. Today I kind of woke up, rolled out of bed, and I just wasn't motivated to do much with my day. And so I'm just reminded that that doing 3 minutes of just putting myself together will make me have a much better day than I would have had I not. I'll just feel like more ready, you know, more complete, more like I can approach the world and not feel like I didn't put myself together at all. There's just something about it that's more motivated. Just put yourself together, make yourself feel good. You deserve it. And until the next video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know if you have any video suggestions or ideas or questions. As always, the products are going to be linked in the caption for you below. And that completes this video. Bye.